Good afternoon. This is a multimedia weather briefing for the hazardous winter storm expected to impact the area this weekend, February 9th through 11, 2013. This multimedia weather briefing was prepared by Kyle Weiser, Sally Pavlo, and myself, Amy Betwe, all of the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Here is a regional overview of the headlines that are associated with this upcoming winter storm. The green areas are blizzard watches, and the blue areas are winter storm watches. These watches go in effect starting Saturday night for western areas of South Dakota, and then eastern areas of South Dakota and into western Minnesota, southwest Minnesota. The watches go into effect starting Sunday. All of these watches will stay in effect through noon on Monday. Here's an overview of the expected snowfall totals ending on Monday afternoon for this winter storm. You can see in the area of Sioux Falls we're expecting around 4 inches, but up towards Huron and also Chamberlain we're expecting snowfall totals to be around 11 inches. Down in the Sioux City area, snow totals would be around 1 inch, and also in northwest Iowa, extreme southwest Minnesota, you have areas of less than 2 inches expected. Areas of west central Minnesota will see totals of 3 to 5 inches. The main impacts of this winter storm not only include heavy snow, but also blizzard conditions, as winds will increase on Sunday to 25 to 40 miles an hour with gusts to 50 miles an hour. These blizzard conditions will cause very hazardous travel with whiteout conditions likely, and they're expected to develop in the James Valley and central South Dakota areas between midnight and 6 a.m. Sunday, and from I-29 to the James Valley area from 6 a.m. to noon on Sunday, and from southwest Minnesota into extreme southeast South Dakota from noon to 6 on Sunday. To sum up the event in the local area, we will start with a rain-snow mix on Saturday and Saturday night, and that will change to all snow from west to east through the day on Sunday afternoon. Winds will increase from 20 to 40 miles an hour on Sunday and Sunday night, causing those blizzard and whiteout conditions and very hazardous travel. Accumulations will be from around 1 inch in northwest Iowa to around 12 inches in central and into northeast South Dakota. The impacts include blizzard conditions, which include near zero visibilities possible late Saturday night into Sunday over mainly South Dakota. If you would like additional information on this upcoming winter storm and blizzard, please stay tuned to your local media, or you can also visit our webpage at weather.gov/Sioux Falls. To check on the latest road conditions, you can call 511 or see www.safetravelusa.com.